Roy Cross was born in Southwark and started his career as an illustrator for Fairey Aviation during World War II. In the 1960s, Roy was asked to paint some of the box art for Airfix, and he worked with us for 10 years. His first piece was an illustration of a Dornier 217, and his last in 1974 was of the Prinz Eugen, a German heavy cruiser. His art captured our imaginations and brought a new dimension to Airfix box fronts, showing the scenarios in which our model aircraft could be found. His art lives on through the Vintage Classics range, and some of you might have bought kits just for the box art. Some of our personal favourites include the G for George Lancaster, the Auster Antarctic and the Beagle Bassett 206. Share your favourite Roy Cross artwork in the comments below. Roy was and always will be an important part of our history, inspiring many modellers with his amazing illustrations. Our thoughts are with his family during this difficult time. If you have anything you'd like to share about Roy, please use the site in the description below or post in the comments and we'll share your thoughts with Roy's family.